If Microsoft Edge is slowing your computer down, there are a few fixes you can try before switching to a different browser. 1. Enable efficiency mode. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Performance, then enable efficiency mode from the pop-up. 2. Disable Startup Boost. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window, then select Settings. In the left pane, click System and Performance, then disable Startup Boost. 3. Disable background extensions and Edge apps. This option is located in the System and Performance section of Edge settings. Disable Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. 4. Fix the New Tab page. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of this page. Now, use the following settings. Layout, Focused. Quick Links, off. Background, off. Recent Bing searches, off. Show Greeting, off. Office Sidebar, off. New Tab Tips, off. Content off. Thanks for watching.